Let me go live on Facebook today. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another empowering morning conversation. So, as you'll see on the screen, we are on day 33. Wow, congratulations. Another day we are in paradise spreading positivity. So, as we start this day, the thought which comes to my mind today is that what is it that we have as our deepest desire, the deepest desire that we might have got buried inside, and or we think that, oh, that can never happen in this lifetime. Okay, how about if your deepest desire could manifest itself in this lifetime? What if you could actually achieve that? Okay, but if you want to achieve any desire, then you need to do something about it. So be in this question: what is it that I can do or be today that will allow me to fulfill my deepest desire? Yeah, what is the consciousness space that I can be in today that will allow me to fulfill my deepest desire? Of course, the deepest desire begins by identifying it. A lot of people have buried it so deep that they don't even remember what their deepest desire is. So, which one of you brave people would like to share with us what is your deepest desire which you would like to start manifesting in your life today? So, you can say whatever you like. Forget about right and wrong, good and bad. Whatever is your deepest desire, you can say it.
I
Yes,
wanted to start
Ranjigar.
a trust, sir, Rajamallu Foundation, but I was not able to do it for the last 10 years. So that is my deepest desire.
All right. So, what space and consciousness can you be that you can fulfill your deepest desire? And what action do you think you'll be able to take today to fulfill your deepest desire? So, be in that space. And as we do the session today, just remember that, that if you wish to manifest that, you can do it. But what is the action you may want to take today? So, think about that. All right. Somebody else. Good morning, Nidhi.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, you can mute, and I've made you the co-host so you can start letting people in. And the question, Vitrivel, can you repeat the question for everybody's benefit?
Yes, sir. What is our deepest desire may be buried in us very deeper. And we also have to start thinking about what conscious space I should be to manifest it.
Yeah, and what action is possible today? So first step is to state what is our deepest desire. That is one action we can all take without any difficulty, that we can say, what is my deepest desire?
Sir, I want to go. May I?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
So my desire was just to be the best mother in the world, and I always let the subterfuge, some thought subterfuge, take me away from this deepest desire. That's just I wanted to be the best mother to my kid.
Okay, so if you cut out why it is not happening, just say what's your deepest desire.
Yeah, so it is to be the best mother, sir, to him.
Okay, so my desire is to be the deepest mother. All right, thank you very much for declaring it. So you can now mute yourself, and when I ask you what are you going to do about it today, at that time you can share it with us. Thank you very much. All right, who's next? Come on, guys, put some energy into it. Generate some power. You're not going to manifest anything if you say, my deepest desire is to be happy. Then will you manifest it? Put some energy, get some life into your words. Come on, who's next? You notice how many of us are feeling shy? How can I say my deepest desire? Hello, if you can't even say it, how will you fulfill it? Of course, you've got some dark desires. Don't say, we don't want to know about those.
My deepest desire is to empower people, as many as I can in my life.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Kuldeep ji. You can mute yourself now. Yeah, who's next? Come on, guys, wake up. By the time other people come now, they will see such vibrant energy in this, session. They'll say, wow, what's happening over here?
My deepest desire is to make everybody happy who is living with me.
All right. Thank you very much for sharing that. Now you can mute yourself and start thinking. So how will I do that? So mute yourself and I ask you to share, you can. Okay, who's next? Come on, Nidhi, don't hesitate so much, otherwise somebody else will start talking.
मिक्सी बंद कर.
That is your deepest desire, is it? Mixi band kar.
So it's like to spread happiness and realize people that मतलब पंजाबी में मेरे को my grandfather used to say me, खुश वो रहता है जो संतुष्ट है.
Okay.
So there are a lot of people, they have lot in life. Believe me, like people will die to have that in life, but still they feel it is less. And I don't know why they do that. So it's very important for everybody to realize बहुत है जिंदगी में अगर आप खुश रहना चाहते हो. They start looking at which is missing, but let's appreciate and be happy with what you have.
But what is your deepest desire?
I want to spread happiness and convey the message to people. There's a lot you have in your lives. So be happy and spread happiness, and that's it. Like that message should go in everybody's mind so that they are happy and contented.
Okay, very good. Very good. So this is a wonderful place that you are in, no? The morning conversation, spreading happiness, spreading positivity. Thank you very much for sharing that. Who's next? Come along. Mr. Vetrivel, you haven't said anything.
Sir, I have been contemplating. My deepest desire is so many things are coming. One among is I have to create something such that it should benefit at least minimum 100 to 200 people, like kind of organization.
Okay, but that's not a very specific, I'm not understanding what is it. Some organization, something you said.
Something.
200 people organization to do what?
To serve people.
An organization consisting of 200 people who are serving people.
Yeah.
What are they serving? Food? Like Gurdwara Langar, they serve food over there.
Kind of
something like that.
Making people all kind of service, right? It could be even good service also. Kind of an organization.
It is just dedicated to provide service, whatever is required.
Exactly.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for sharing that. Great. Thank you. Who's next? So we've got other people also. So we are all sharing. What is your deepest desire? So who's next? How are you going to fulfill your desire if you can't even share about it?
Yeah, I want to share something.
Yes, please.
I want to close all the broken relations, whatever I have. I mean, mostly I have completed, maybe a few are there. So I want to close those.
Recover. Close means you want to get rid of them or you want to recover them?
I want to recover. I mean, have the patch and, communicate.
All right, great, fantastic. That's your deepest desire. Thank you very much. Who's next? Come along. Neeti, Mansi, Archanmay, Vilas. There are so many people who are just silent spectators. Join the conversation.
Okay.
Yes.
So my deepest desire is a particular relationship that I want to take to the next level.
All right. So you buy a step ladder, that might make it happen. Thank you very much for sharing it. That's a joke, don't take it seriously. Mansi. Very soon we'll be celebrating, it looks like. All right, Vilas, you want to say? Why are you looking so miserable early in the morning? That's better. You in a bath?
Yeah. Today I came to Mumbai.
Wow, that's why you're smiling so much. Huh? Congratulations.
Yes.
So, what is your deepest desire now that you're in Mumbai or wherever you might be?
Deepest desire, in Mumbai, to be healthy and to be as productive as much as I can, and to enjoy the life to the fullest as a human being is my deepest desire.
That's your deepest desire. Wow, congratulations. Thank you very much for sharing it. Okay, who's next? Come on, guys, fast, don't waste time. Meenakshi, Archanmay. Okay, Archanmay is going next.
My deepest desire is to make myself happy in the process of making others happy.
Make myself happy in the process of making others happy. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much for sharing that, Archanmay. That's fantastic. And who's next? Very, very inspiring. We are getting so many clues about what some things we can also do. Yeah, Mansi, go ahead. In the meantime, it looks like Kuldeep ji wants to say something.
No, it was a little thing sharing which Nidhi has mentioned to that wanted to keep satisfied. Somebody has said that वैसे तो जिंदगी हमें देती है बहुत कुछ, वैसे तो जिंदगी हमें देती है बहुत कुछ, लेकिन हम गणना उसी की करते हैं जो हमें हासिल ना हो सका. That is the main
How
point.
true. How true, how true. Like they say, no, as a rule, man is a fool. Always wanting. When it's hot, he wants it cool. And when it's cool, he wants it hot. Always wanting what is not. है ना? वही आपने बता दिया. Thank you very much. So what's your deepest desire, Abhinav?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So I have just joined, so
That's why I'm telling you, no, that's what everybody's sharing. What's your deepest desire?
I will think around and will speak after that.
मतलब deepest desire सोचना पड़ेगा. Wow.
No,
Fantastic.
I don't have to think, but I have to like.
कैसे कहूँ?
The words for that.
Never mind. You can tell us whenever you want to. And Mansi, you're the only one. You two people are left. So you might as well say it and be in sync with everybody else. Before I ask you the next question. So what happens the moment you get clarity about your deepest desire? What happens? Two things can happen, right? One thing which can happen is your mind says, "Chhod do, that's not going to happen. Don't waste your time on it. It hasn't happened till now, so how can it happen? It's not going to happen for me." That's one thing you can say, and that will kill the desire even before it began. Correct? And many people do that. ठीक है ना? Deepest desire सोचने की शुरुआत हुई और साथ में हमने उल्टा सोचना शुरू कर दिया. So that's what happens to a lot of people. अरे it is a hopeless task, ये है वो है. So I call it it's a counter intention that we put into the world. फिर वो होता नहीं है. And some people say, wow, this is my intention, and what is it that I'm going to do now that will make it happen? Right? After all, everything can happen, anything can happen, but कुछ करना पड़ता है ना उसके लिए. We have to do something about it. And before we get into all that discussion, I think we should lighten up the mood. Everybody's becoming very gambhir and very serious. So let's get this mood enhancing exercises done. You know what that exercise is, right? So when I say 1, 2, 3, we will all laugh 100%. And remember, we have the power of generating whatever feeling we want, whenever we want. So 1, 2, 3, start. पूरे जोर से खुल के, अरे बंधन छोड़ दो. So how does it feel? कैसा लग रहा है? So when you do this exercise, do you notice it lasts, the effect of this will last for half an hour, 45 minutes or 1 hour, isn't it? But at least for 1 hour, you're feeling good, no? Now, what will a sensible person say? Yeah, this is very good. Every time I do this, I feel very good. I'm feeling very happy. Other people around me also feeling happy. तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? So maybe we can laugh like this after 1 hour. Now, the moment I said that, did you notice what many people's mind would have said? नहीं, लोग सोचेंगे पागल हो गया है. So if people think that you're mad, if you're happy, then very bad. Yeah. Better to be mad and let people think what they want. But I'm happy. So try this out today after every 1 hour or 45 minutes. And if you feel shy to do it in front of the people, you go and do it in the bathroom.
Yes, sir.
And then you come out looking very happy. And then people will be more suspicious. ये bathroom में क्या करके आया है? इतना खुश लग रहा है. So सोचने दो उनको. See, your people are always, गाने भी बने हुए हैं, है ना? कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातें, कहीं बीत न जाए रहना. Right? So if you know that this makes you feel happy, and you ask anybody, why are you doing this? For this. Why are you doing this? To be happy. अरे बाबा, happiness आपके हाथ में है या आपके गले में है. You can generate it whenever you want. So first generate happiness and then go after your deepest desire. You will find it's happening much faster. How about that? Normally life में हम क्या कहते हैं? वो मिल जाएगा ना तो मैं बड़ा खुश हो जाऊंगा. अगर ऐसा हो जाएगा तो मैं बड़ा खुश हो जाऊंगा. But राज हमारे पास में है. If I can generate my happiness first, yeah. So first I will generate happiness, then I will go and get whatever it is that I want. So how is that for a starter? So this is one exercise, so simple. I'm reminding you because you can do it anytime you want to remain positive. When you're bombarded with negativity, remember, just do this. Suddenly everything goes away, thak karke, and you're positive. Isn't that a useful thing to do? Hello.
Sir, मैंने कल 4 पंक्तियां लिखी हैं, which is just apt.
आप यार सब्जेक्ट डाइवर्ट भी कर रही हो या सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बोल रही हो? चलो 4 पंक्तियां बता दो.
तो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में ही है.
Okay,
जिंदगी में खुशियां ढूंढोगे तो ढूंढते ही चले जाओगे. हर पल खुश रह के तो देखो, मुस्कुराते चले जाओगे.
Wow, क्या बात है. Fantastic, excellent. You better make a recording and put it on the group, you know. आपकी पोएम सुन के लोगों को याद रहेगा कि भाई आपकी खुशी आपके हाथ में है. You know, you can do it 24 times in a day if you want. And be happy. Simple exercise. Okay, I want to do another exercise with all of you. Remember, we did an exercise where, well, we'll do it. Okay, so everybody loosen up yourself. And Shiva Prasad, Reddy Garu, I hope you're not driving the car, because if you're driving, you cannot do this exercise.
No, sir. I reached the destination.
Okay, so are you sitting down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So all of you, first of all, you just rub your hands nicely. Okay. Very nice. So we will start with the feet. So you can bend down and touch your toes, you know, caress your toes and your feet. you're caressing it, you don't have to necessarily press it. दबाने की जरूरत नहीं है, दबाने का मूड होता है तो दबा लो. But you're just gently caressing, you know, like mummy was caressing us when we were babies. So you take your feet, both of them, one at a time, and caress your toes, your feet, you know, your ankles, then your lower legs, your calf muscles, and just massage gently. So, you know, you're touching. And then you come to your thighs, your knees, you're touching. Caress your thighs, your hips, your stomach, and your chest, your arms, your fingers, your shoulders, your neck. अभिनव ये करने के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
So start from your feet and slowly come up, touching each and every part of your body gently. प्यार से, you know, you're giving love to each and every part of your body. Your hands, your arms, your neck, your chin, your mouth, your cheeks, your nose, your ears, your eyes, forehead, top of the head. Yeah, just be in this space of experiencing your body with love. ये शरीर आपकी इतनी सेवा करता है, थोड़ा उसको प्यार दे दो, उसको अच्छा लगता है. Right? So you just do it for a few minutes. एक बारी कर लिया तो दोबारा कर लो. कर लो अभिनव, टैक्स नहीं लगता है इस पे.
Yes, sir, definitely.
All right. So now that you've done it, most of you, how do you feel? Anybody wants to say? We are open to hear your comments and questions anytime you want. In the meantime, let us listen to Nidhi's poem one more time.
I am feeling like positivity and the good waves is like running all around the body and all the senses of my body.
Doesn't that feel nice? Isn't that wonderful? How does it get better than that? You remember one session before this one, I said that every experience in life is an opportunity for us to become a better version of ourselves. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Every experience in life is an opportunity for us to become a better version of ourselves. So, Abhinav, इसको आप हिंदी में बताएंगे जरा, क्योंकि आप मध्य प्रदेश वालों की हिंदी बेटर होती है, मैंने सुना.
Yes, sir.
Every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of myself. तो अभी भी हमने जो किया है वो भी तो एक अनुभव था ना.
Yes, sir.
So every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of myself. जरा बताएं.
मैं बताऊं सर?
आपका हर
इसको बोलने दो यार.
आपका हर अनुभव आपको एक अवसर प्रदान करता है कि आप अपने आप को कुछ बेहतर बना सकें.
और बेहतर बना सकें.
और बेहतर बना सकें.
वाह वाह वाह, फैंटास्टिक फैंटास्टिक. तो हम कुलदीप जी की भी ट्रांसलेशन सुनते हैं, देखते हैं दोनों में क्या अंतर है. थैंक यू अभिनव, बहुत सही बनाया तुमने.
नहीं,
यस सर,
मेरी भी यही ट्रांसलेशन थी.
डिट्टो.
हर अवसर हमको एक ऐसा अवसर प्रदान करता है जिसमें हम अपने आप को अपने से बेहतर बना सकते हैं.
वाह, फैंटास्टिक. बेटर वर्जन ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स, अपने से बेहतर बना सकें. क्या बात है. हमने ऑलरेडी अपने आप को अपने से बेहतर बना लिया 2 बार. आज हमने 2 एक अनुभव करके, राइट. बट दीज आर कॉल्ड द इम्पोर्टेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस और सिग्निफिकेंट वंस. बट जिंदगी में, you know, everyday life, all experiences are not so significant, right? वो थोड़े सूक्ष्म होते हैं. Even I'm saying that even the ordinary experiences, जिनको हम साधारण experience बोलते हैं, even those experiences are an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves. But we don't let them become like that, na? क्योंकि जो साधारण एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं, the so-called ordinary experiences, we are not fully experiencing them anyhow. When something significant happens, then we suddenly become attentive and present to those. Right? But what about the subtle ones? Little things that we may be doing. So every 10 seconds of your life is an experience, isn't it? So how do we give importance to every moment of our life? That's the next question. So who would like to answer that? How would you give importance to every second or every 10 seconds of your life? Answer is very simple.
Living in the present moment.
Exactly. That's how you give importance to the present moment. Anybody else? How are you going to give importance to, the day which is 24 hours and every hour has got 60 minutes, right? And there are some moments where something significant might be happening, which you may be enjoying, or something significant is happening which you are not enjoying at all and you're cribbing and complaining about it, right? But even those have opportunity to make you a better version of yourself, but at least you are present over there forcefully, क्योंकि परिस्थिति ने खींच के आपको लेके आया उधर. But the other moments when something, but nothing is happening. Nothing is happening कभी नहीं होता है, कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही रहा होता है. बट क्योंकि हम अनकॉन्शियस रहते हैं उसमें, बिकॉज नथिंग, हमारा मन कहता है नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, ऑर्डिनरी, आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग हियर, और आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग माय टी, और आई एम जस्ट ब्रशिंग माय टीथ. Always something is happening, na? So experiment today that if you allow yourself to experience every 10 seconds of your life by being fully present in those moments, correct? Then what would your experience be, and how many opportunities you will get to become a better version of yourself? So now I'd like to hear your comments on this, what I just opened up. Something must be popping into your head now, na?
Sir, it is like we have to be very alert and we have to be aware on the task at hand.
Yeah, we can allow ourselves to be alert to every moment of our life. Yeah. And then what do you think are the possibilities of that? Because we are not like that, na? If you actually start, suppose you had some kind of a device to measure how many times in a day you were alert and present, you may be shocked to find out that more than 70 or 80% of the day you have not really fully utilized. Utilized in the sense that if every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of myself, so how many opportunities we have lost because we were not attentive? You may realize that. See, वैसे तो हम रोते रहते हैं, we keep cribbing, oh, life is short. Hello, life is short. You make it shorter because you're not experiencing it fully. It's like, film is running for 24 hours, but out of the 24 hours, 7 or 8 hours you're sleeping anyway, right? And the balance of the time, because you dozed off or you went off into some daydream or something like that, then you're not there only. So whatever is short, life is short, okay? You're making it more short because whatever is available to you also you're not using fully. How about that? तो जो मिला है उसको तो पूरी तरह यूज कर लो यार. We don't know what's going to happen, right? Hello. Let's hear a few more people. What are your thoughts now that we have mentioned all this?
Sir, in addition to Venerable Garu, I think if we'll live consciously every moment, so every moment either, they would, one thing is we can appreciate ourselves, the good thing what we have done, and the other is like to consciously correct ourselves to be a better version of mind. So, you know, these two things which comes in my mind if I consciously live for every moment.
Yeah, very nice. So at least every moment you will be aware, na, कि how can I be a better version? Or what in this moment, what is it that is possible for me? You know, how does it get better than this? At least we'll be in the question, na? Not in a blank. Very good. Thank you very much. Anybody else? So, yes.
I want to say that we all want that we should be aware and we should remain in the present moment. But practically, we feel that most of the time we are not. Why we are not and why we can do it, that is the more pertinent question, how to do that.
Yeah, so many tools I've been giving in this program.
And
we can start using them, no?
Quite right. And how to use them? How to use them?
By doing them.
No, before doing whatever I am trying to, I want to put a little different viewpoint. Before putting it, it will also be very useful that we can be in that state where we are automatically very aware. And I feel that one of the motive or one of the objective of the meditation is one of them is the thing that we can remain aware most of the time. So our mental state, if it is of that meditative state, it will be very easy for us to remain in those moments and capture those moments.
Yes.
So that is morning state. As you are maintaining the state every day morning, the state is very important part. So
Yeah,
that also,
that's what, in many sessions I've mentioned, Kuldeep ji, that, there are these practices, very simple ones. If you keep doing them, then you will extend this meditative state to all the waking hours of yours. For example, breathing consciously and deeply, that keeps you in the present. Looking at things around you very intently. See, we are working, we are talking, we are doing everything. We can do it consciously or unconsciously. We do it consciously when we consciously start focusing our attention. So if Kuldeep ji is talking to me, I'm giving him 100% attention. If I'm doing some job, I'm giving it 100% attention. Okay. If I've got a phone in my hand, I'm giving it 100% attention. So when I start living like that, right, then I'm developing a habit of being in the present.
Correct.
So our default mode is a habit of not being in the present.
Very true.
So now when we keep on doing it regularly, problem, a lot of people who do this meditation and all that, they're very nice when they're doing the meditation. Right? Then they come out and they go back into the default mode. So our challenge is, how do we remain in this new or conscious or aware mode? Okay. That's why I say, if you are living in 10-second increments, if your approach is that every experience in my life is an opportunity to become a better version of myself, then इंसान खुदगर्ज होता है ना. So the moment he realizes कि यार हर पल में मुझे कुछ ना कुछ मिल सकता है, तो लालच उसको फोर्स करेगी ना कम से कम कि let me be in the present moment, because there is something is to be gained from it. And see the paradox of it, Kuldeep ji. The paradox is, हर पल में मुझे जीना मिलता है ना.
जी बिल्कुल.
तो वही ले लो.
और से ये भी कहते हैं कि meditation is a not part-time hobby. It is a full-time. It is a full-time.
It's a way of life. When I went and did the Vipassana for the first time, 10 days camp, I came back, I was in a very different state. Right? And they told us, I said, you should practice every day for 1 hour. Okay. And I did that for maybe 20 days. Then 1 hour became 20 minutes, 20 minutes became 10 minutes. Right? Uske baad mein, after a few years, I went and did it again. So the learning has been that if you can maintain a meditative state as you go through the day, and I've been looking at simple, aajkal word ek nikala logon ne, hacks, So what are the simple hacks? One simple hack is breathe consciously, right? Simple hack. Whenever you become aware कि अब थोड़ा आप sideline हो रहे हो, you start breathing deeply. Fully exhale पहले तो. It takes a lot of effort to fully exhale. and then slowly inhale. So one practice which I was telling you earlier today was that after every 1 hour, if you silently laugh, okay, it puts you in a positive frame of mind. After every 15-20 minutes, if you become aware that you are losing it, then you start doing deep meditative breathing 7 or 8 times. Okay, again you're recovering. Then third practice is that whatever you look at it very intently, even if you give 5 seconds to it. Normally हम करते नहीं हैं. Our mind is half there and half somewhere. तो उसको पकड़ना पड़ता है. So you say, all right, I'm looking at this, look at 10-15 objects. So you just make it a habit. So with me, even when I'm driving and going in a car, whatever is there in front of me, I look at it very attentively. I keep my awareness level high. That also helps me to be in a more alert state when I'm driving, because city like Bombay, people are coming from all over the place. So this way you are much more alert. So by these practices, we become more and more, smart and adept. हम माहिर हो जाते हैं, वर्तमान में रहने वाले लोग बन जाते हैं. एंड वर्तमान में लोग रहने वाले जो होते हैं वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही रहते हैं. जो लोग वर्तमान में रहते हैं उनको इमीडिएटली पता लग जाता है कि भाई ये नकारात्मक ख्याल मेरे दिमाग में आ रहे हैं. People who are positive, right? People who are aware. See, you cannot be positive unless you are aware. So if you are aware and you're being in the present moment, you will immediately notice that this negative thought is coming. And thank God we are rational human beings. The rational mind says, why should I allow this negative thought to come into me? It's only going to make me feel miserable. तो मेरा क्या interest है miserable होने में, दुखी होने में? So then I replace that negative thought with a positive thought. So many people ask me, how do I do that? By focusing on all the positive things that are there with you. So what is the first positive thing that you always have with you? Hey, I'm alive. What is the second positive thing that is there with you? Hey, all my body parts are functioning very well. Or kuch nahi to let me give some love to my body. Jab bhi time mile, give some love to your body. You live happy, you live longer, you'll be healthier. Because you should know one thing. When your body is there, if you do not pay attention to any part of your body, that part will give you trouble sooner or later. So this is a good way to give attention to every part of your body, and you're actually telling your body, hey, I love you, I like you, I'm grateful to you. There's so many methods, right? We have enough time. A lot of people say, time nahi hai karne ke liye. None of these practices needs time. You can do it all the time if you want to. अब सांस लेने में टाइम लगता है. You're only changing the way you're breathing, right? You're breathing more consciously and deeply. आप अपना काम करो. Otherwise also you're doing multitasking, isn't it? The moment you start breathing deeply, you'll suddenly find that your awareness goes up. Colors become brighter. Your listening improves. So I can keep on talking about all the benefits forever. But enough of my talking. So who's next? So what was the question I asked you in the morning? What is your deepest desire? Now here comes the second part of my question. What are you going to do today? One action which will allow you to fulfill your deepest desire. Would you please share that with me? What is that one action that you're going to take today that will allow you to fulfill your deepest desire? All right, let's listen to you, wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people.
So my deepest desire is to be the perfect one or the perfect son or the perfect person in the eyes of my father. Whatever I do in the daily activities, there is something wrong or something not perfect in the eyes of my father. So मैं जो कुछ भी करता हूँ उसमें कुछ ना कुछ उनको कमी दिखती है in the daily activities or in my business or in the ways I'm carrying out my business. So I will try to eliminate the things that I can do to be the better one in the eyes of my father.
सारी जिंदगी लगे रहना बेटा, कभी नहीं होने वाला है। Sorry to disappoint you.
I can try.
नहीं,
जो
because
मैं-
आपका जो यार्ड स्टिक है ना,
Yes sir.
जिस चीज के पीछे आप भाग रहे हो ना,
Yes sir.
लाइफ में एक चीज याद रखना, अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखोगे तो दुखी रहोगे।
Yes sir.
What is the difference between realistic expectation and unrealistic expectation?
So that is okay, but there
पहले
is
पहले
something.
जवाब तो दो मेरे भाई। What is
Yes,
the
sir.
difference between realistic expectation and unrealistic expectation?
So the realistic expectation are the one that you definitely feel that you can fulfill or you can get. But the unrealistic one is just you are living in the world of fantasy that this will happen. It is like Birbal ki khichdi like thing or
अच्छा,
Mugeri
अगर आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि कौवा जो है कै कै ना करे और म्याऊ म्याऊ करे, तो वो क्या रियलिस्टिक है?
No sir.
तो अगर आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि एक इंसान जो आपको कंट्रोल करने के लिए सारी जिंदगी आपकी गलती निकालता ही रहेगा, और ऐसी एक दिन वो दिन आएगा जिस दिन वो आपकी किसी भी काम में गलती नहीं निकालेगा, तो वो रियलिस्टिक है?
सर दैट इज नॉट रियलिस्टिक, बट द थिंग इज कि कुछ चीज आपको खुद लगती है कि हाँ आप गलत कर रहे हैं, यू आर नॉट पुटिंग the attention that you should give in that particular work, like
okay, got it. Let's make it short. फिर मैं आपको बताता हूँ, आपका डीपेस्ट डिजायर है कि जो भी मैं करूं परफेक्टली करूं।
यस सर।
देखिए, पहले जो भी मैं करूं मैं परफेक्टली करूं, दैट इज रियलिस्टिक।
यस सर।
क्योंकि इफ यू वांट टू फुलफिल एवरीबॉडीज एक्सपेक्टेशंस ना, कि एक दिन सारी दुनिया मुझे वाह वाह जब करेगी ना, तब मैं बोलूंगा मैंने परफेक्ट किया, तो लगे रहना गुरु सारा जिंदगी।
But it should be perfect in your eyes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying ना, that's why you should say it in that way. कि मैं, मेरे नजर में जो चीज परफेक्ट है मैं वो करूंगा, नहीं तो आपने एक दिन वही गाना गाना है, दुखी मन मेरे सुन मेरा कहना, जहां नहीं चैना वहां नहीं रहना। So it's a good point. So what are you going to do about it today, Abhinav? आज आप परफेक्ट क्या करने जा रहे हो?
Sir, the perfect one is like we are living in a joint family, and the finance side or the accounting side is up to me. The cash handling and all of my business or our home. So that I'm going to do to tally the cash, write it down in the cash book, and to maintain the accounts that are pending for the long.
So today you will do that?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay, congratulations. So that's one action to fulfill your desire. Thank you very much for sharing it. Okay, who's next? What is that one action you will do to fulfill your deepest desire? फिर आपको भी लगेगा हाँ मैंने कुछ किया. What is one action you will do? Vitrivel can start. Get the ball rolling. Fast.
I will do more work than my regular work, reaching out to more clients.
No, put a number on it. More ka definition would be I will talk to one more client. Is that
25 prospects I will reach.
Oh, right. 25 new people I will reach today. Congratulations. And next person, Hasina ji, how are you going to make your family happy today? One action that you will take which you don't normally take, something new. One action that you will take to fulfill your deepest desire.
Sir, you are asking me?
Anybody can say.
Oh, I'm sorry, my mic was muted.
Yeah, now you say.
Yeah, okay. My one desire is to not interfere in my family affairs. Everybody does what they want, but I have to put in my penny to give my opinion, which upsets them. This is what I'm going to stop.
So you're going to stop interfering.
Right, that's the word.
What are you going to start to do?
Let them do what they want.
Yeah, that's okay. You're going to stop telling them what to do. How are you going to make them happy today? With some action. I got it that you're going to stop interfering.
So that is what I'm going to do.
Okay, fine. Congratulations. You do that. Okay, who's the next person? Come on, quick. Neeti. Hasina ji, you can mute yourself. There's some sound coming from your mic. Come on, guys, quickly. Time is passing. Who's the next
So I'm
person?
beaming. So I'm only beaming. I really don't know what to do next.
One action. There is always one action that you can figure out. I remember something you said, I will take it to next level. So one action can be, I'll buy a stool so I can stand on it. That will be taking it to the next level.
I got to think more on this.
Yeah, what is that one action? It need not be a very dramatic and a big action. It could be one action. Yeah, remember, because small steps, if we keep taking small steps every day, we will ultimately achieve whatever we want. But we keep waiting to take the big step. So no step is taken.
Lini, even small step, I can't think of what small step to take.
Yeah, because you always think big,
Achha.
See, look positively at that. I normally think big. So how can I think about small steps? Okay. One small. Yes, next person.
Okay. So I would like to request everybody, it's like my small step towards spreading happiness, that please ask people to join our chain of positive warriors so that more people can be enlightened by our sessions, and the more happiness and positivity can be spread, especially in COVID times. So that's what I want to request everyone.
No, don't say I want to request anyone.
I'm requesting everyone.
Yeah, exactly. I request everyone to invite your friends and family to become a part of Positivity Warriors. I also request the same. Thank you very much. Yes, Suchitra, you want to say something?
So, so I faced a very sort of a very strange trauma at an impressionable age, and I've been trying for the last 20 years to get a handle of it by logic. So, and I always fail because I'm a creature of the mind. So what I'm going to do is to try and be as noble, live out my idea of nobility every moment. And whenever my mind says that I cannot achieve my heart's desire, I'm going to clobber it and say, no, I am going to do it. I don't know how, but it's going to happen.
Yeah, but what was your heart desire? You said something, no? My desire is to what?
Is to be
a good mother.
To my son, and to help him stand on his own feet, whatever, to realize himself as a human being.
So right now he's lying down,
huh?
Is he lying down right now? What is that one action you will take? See, behind all these lovely words that you use, where is the action? I don't see any action in it. I will have noble thoughts and this and that. That's only thoughts, right? What is the action?
And to win over my own negativity, isn't it, sir? It's an internal action, not something I do with my...
No, I want an external action. What action will I take today so that I can say that I'm being a good mother?
So I'm going to keep up this Ho'oponopono japa, and what you have told me to do. That's one. And just take care of myself when I start to sink. That's it. Because
now that is some action, isn't it?
Yeah.
Congratulations. One action you can take is after 1 hour, you can do silent laughter.
Okay.
And after 1 hour, you can give some love to your body.
Okay.
Okay. And the third one is you can do, long, deep breathing. Whenever you breathe, breathe consciously. Most of us are breathing unconsciously. So there are 3 actions. 4th action is, I will be a good mother when I stop worrying about my son. Because when you worry about your son, you are giving more negative energy out into the world. So why do you want to do that? Yeah. So when you know that if you beam positive energy, that as long as I am alive, my son will be all right. He will be looked after. That is non-negotiable. That is the energy you want to send out into the world, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah, just keep that in mind. All right. Next, let's hear 1 or 2 more people. We are coming to the end of today's session.
Can I say?
Certainly, sir.
One of the lady member of our Dignity Foundation had recently lost her husband due to COVID.
Oh.
So I would organize a special Zoom meeting with other Dignity friends so they can talk to her and they can share their grief and we can little bit empower that lady.
Right. Bring her out of her grief.
Yes.
Great. Fantastic. That's a very, very good positive action. Okay. Who else?
To be happy, I will spend the quality time with my son and my daughter. I will play with them and I will listen to their stories.
Okay, very good. That's what your action for the day is. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Who's next? You say it, no, Suresh, instead of putting in the chat. Suresh Garu.
Yeah. So I will expand my limits to do whatever I can do to the family members or others within my capacity. But I cannot keep everyone happy. If they are happy with what I am doing, it is fine. If they are not happy also, at least I am happy that I have done my part.
Okay, fantastic.
If
Now,
they
what
are
do you mean
expecting,
by expand my limits? What action will you do?
that means comfort level से और थोड़ा आगे.
क्या करोगे क्या? Because your mind only accepts the specific command, no? I will expand this, that it doesn't understand. What are you going to do? Till yesterday I was smiling 5 times at them. Today I will smile 10 times. So, be specific. What is the action?
Yeah, I will start. I will stop arguing with them whenever they come. I mean, if I do something and they come and argue, I will not respond to that. Whatever I can do.
Then what will you do?
I mean, whatever best I feel, I can do for them. I mean,
so can I tell you one technique? When somebody comes and tell you something, listen to them properly and let them know that you are listening. You know how? How do you let somebody know you are listening?
I mean, giving response. I mean, proper. I have to listen to them. What they are expecting, I have to identify.
No, you have to tell them what they told you and what you understood.
Okay.
See, because they are not 100% sure that you got what they said or not.
Okay.
Even you are not sure, actually. See, if you are telling me something, I need to make sure that I have understood what Suresh has told me, no?
Yeah.
So how will I make sure? So I will tell you back, I'll say, Suresh, this is what I heard and this is what I understood. Is that correct?
Yeah. That is, yes, exactly. What
if you do this much also, they'll be happy. You don't have to do what they say always.
Fine. Yeah.
You don't have to agree with them also.
Yeah. That is.
You don't have to disagree also, but just tell them back, okay, so this is what you're saying. Have I understood your point correctly? They'll say yes.
Okay.
Then you say, okay.
Fine.
You try this experiment.
Thank you.
It's very, very powerful thing. Your relationships will start changing.
Yeah. I will do that.
Simple technique, huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing. Okay. Anybody else? Hello.
So my one action is discuss my desire with some people and get their viewpoint as well.
All right. Thank you very much. So that brings us to the end of today's session. I just want to quickly remind you that we are going to keep ourselves positive. And one of the good ways of being positive is to follow the positive practices which I am teaching you, some of which we have revised today. So you can keep doing it. Very simple thing. After 1 hour, if you do a little silent laughter, that will bring you out of the negativity. Second is, if you are breathing more deeply and you're looking more intently at things, that will keep you positive. And remember, every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. It always becomes better than that. So be in that state. Have a wonderful day, my dear friends. Remember that you are wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human beings, and you deserve to be loved and respected for who you are. So bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.